Hi, welcome to VG Creative's video tutorial how to set up your beach umbrella or patio umbrella using the Jawn kit and deck anchors. You will want to start out with a complete gator Jawn using two halves. I'll start out about knee height. Gently snug. You want to make it square to the slot. And you want to generally eye up the spacing so it's generally about the same distance using one of the nail lines in your deck. The last step after attaching all the is lift the entire unit, let it self-center, push the pole down so it touches the deck, pull up hard, creating a very tight line. Gently snug them. You need to over tighten. The adhesive pads here on the one face are super grip against a metal. Always open your umbrella into the wind for safety. Hit subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.